Okay guys, here we go. Just wanted to give you kind of the rundown on the gaming setup. We just finished it. Still trying to put things together, but so far we got it all done. Let me see, I'll give you the quick rundown here. So we got our remote controls for the TV, the universal remote that controls everything, and then of course we got our controller for the table for the RGB. There's our games for the PS4. And of course we got our 55-inch monitor. It's an ultra high def monitor. It's really a Vizio TV, but it works perfect so far. Hardly any lag, which is nice. Let's see, there's our table. That was the thing that took the longest for me to build. That was a couple months, probably 2 months worth of work. Taking 2x6s and covering them in epoxy, cutting them out down the middle so we could lay the motherboards in. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but got our Corsair keyboard and mouse. And of course our Rossi Milano chair. Sorry about the mess everywhere, guys. I'm still cleaning up. And of course, the NZXT H710i case. I wanted the I so that I could vertical mount the GPU, and then of course I wanted the Fallout case, but they didn't sell them, and so I made my own. Decided to custom paint it. So we got our little vault logos. There's our Nuka Cola Quantum. And then of course, you got the Nuka Cola logo on the front, all right? Let's see, what all do we got in here? So we've got, of course, the Fallout logo. You got Vault Boy. The Vault Tech logo down here. As far as equipment, we've got, we'll start out with the motherboard. So the motherboard's a Crosshair Hero 8. X570 motherboard and a Ryzen 7 3800X, and of course we got 4 sticks, 8 gigabytes each of the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. It's DDR4 3600. I've got a Corsair Hydro Series water block, of course, for the GPU and of course for the CPU. The GPU I painted custom red, and that's covering a RTX 2080 Super Founders Edition. EK water blocks pump, and then I actually used a Radical Customs custom reservoir, so that feeds down to the pump, and then the pump feeds everything else. In the top, we've got 3 LL120 fans by Corsair and a Corsair 360 by 30 millimeter rad. And then we did the same thing on the front, 3 LL120 fans with 360 by 30 mil radiator. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty kick butt so far. Still kind of going through and overclocking some things and getting a few things done, but I think it's going to be a killer system. Not top of the line, but really for what we put into it, I think it's pretty killer. And we got our PlayStation set up here, PS4, extra controllers, and then of course I got a couple headsets, wireless Corsair Void Pro Elite or RGB headsets. We got one for the PlayStation and one for the computer. So that's our gaming setup, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Like and share and subscribe. We're going to be doing another gaming table, and I'll actually have a full build where we actually map out the build and actually take some video at some point. So like I said, subscribe, and hopefully we'll be able to get that new content out to you ASAP. All right, thanks guys.